Hi. Yes, we're live. Okay, so first, toy unboxing. Well, of course, I'm from the Philippines, so I will start first with a Jolly toy. Of course, this time Jollibee launched the Fun House collection. Um, Hopefully, someone from Jollibee would realize that they already have the Jolly word, and they could have used Jolly House instead of Fun House. So we're gonna be unboxing the toys. So it comes with a set. So every meal has one toy as indicated on the label. So we're gonna be opening it now. So just in case that you're just a collector, not really a child who really doesn't mind, you know, getting the box. So might as well opt out not using the box. Just a toy to save Mother Nature. Okay. So there are five toys as usual. The gang. So we have first we have Hetty. Of course we have the other girl, Twirly, and well, what's this? Yeah, Yum. Okay, we have Jollibee. Yep. And last but not the least, of course, in the garage or the side of the house, it's it's Popo. I can't really find out why they call the mascot that represent fries Popo. Okay, so let's start first with, of course, Jollibee. So, if you're not really a collector, usually for me, if I really like the collection, like for example, the Jollibee around the world, I bought like multiple because some of the toys I do open and some of the toys I keep for collection or collectible. But one thing na I'm not doing is collecting the Funko Pop. First, it's insanely expensive, not really in the market. So, first is well, Jollibee has a guitar, very Cebuano. Alright. And, of course, I hope this is not. Oh, okay, so it's. When I saw their display, so, ganito yung ginagawa nila. So, it opens and it closes. It's supposed to be like a combination. Most of the time in the toys, I don't attach the stickers in order not to ruin them. Then not to mention, I usually display this separately. Kasi no, walang basagan ng trip. Okay, so next that we're gonna be unboxing will be his allegedly girlfriend, which is Hetty. Shade. Fine. Okay, so for Hetty, over as usual, the pink one. Then, of course, our resident cheerleader. Okay, so hopefully I can detach this because I don't like with this collection. I want it, but yeah, nakadikit. Okay, so for Hetty, unfortunately, I like with Jollibee that you can detach. This one, unfortunately, you cannot. So, Hetty stop. Okay, next. So, as you can see, both Jollibee and Hetty are the roof because they're actually the one on top. Okay. Okay. So you have to slide it in. Like that. Then at the back, of course, this is already attached, so I can. But for those here, they don't usually attach anything, or I'm good with this. So the next one is the bottom two, which is first. Let's start first with Yum. Where's Yum? Okay, so Yum. Well, they started the mascot as Mr. Yum, the one with the attache case and everything. But unfortunately, it didn't quite resonate. So in the early 2000s, they changed it into like more of like well, with the launch of Jolly Town also. So they have to reinvent Yum. just yum. Okay, so the adventurous type. So not sure. Wait. Okay, so it's a launcher actually. So when you press it, yum will launch. And also, let's have, of course, the other girl. Well, there actually is two girls in the group, but if you count Jollibee's gender fluid, then that's fine. So for, of course, we have, yes, my favorite, Twirly. Twirly is also attached. So I think the no the here the point here is that she's just moving around. Yeah, twirling around, as you say. So we're gonna be attaching the two of them together. So they're gonna be forming the door. So in order for you to attach, you have to slide it in. Mhm. And with the other two, so there's actually holes on the bottom. So yeah, that's it. Of course, one more. We have, ooh, okay. We have, of course, Popo, the sporty, which I do believe is the real boyfriend of Hetty, because he's sporty and Hetty is a cheerleader. But they insist that, there's something about Hetty and Junior. But okay, so this is Popo. Still confused why it's called Popo. And I'm not sure how to slide this. Oh, here. There's a notch. So, like that. Ano ba ito? Oh my god. Tama ba? I'm not doing this right. Wait. Dito ba? Oh, dito ba? Ah, here, yeah. Supposed to be. Ah, here. We have to open the bottom latch. Yep. Got it. But actually, if you just buy 4 without Popo, that's fine. And we realized that if Popo is not sold, he'll be part of the 3 for 100 promo Jolly Toys in the future. Okay, so if you're gonna be opening them, so it's actually a good. As for me, it's more of just, you know, just trying to. So technically, Jollibee has a couch, so you can place it there. In the stores, actually, they put them here, but I'm not sure. I don't like it. So, well, technically, okay. Surprise, Jollibee stuck on the sofa. So, he will always be sitting. And I'm not even quite sure how, yeah. Yeah. So, he has to, yeah. So, that's the weird part. So, I think that's why the couch is removable, because Jollibee is stuck on that. Yeah, something poking in his ass to keep him sitting down. Okay, so I guess pretty good here. Well, for me, I'm a collector, so I definitely gonna buy this. But for those of you, who have children, some parts is a choking hazard, so might as well think about it. But it's fun. Yeah, I mean, it's jolly to have a complete set. Alright, so we're good, and well, if you like to see more jolly toys or toy unboxing videos, please subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, I'm waiting for 10 minutes. Yep. Okay. 5 more seconds. All right. Bye bye.